Now, we will make edit functionality when click on this edit button. Copy the onClick event method. Write a jQuery edit function. Copy this line of jQuery code and paste it here. Make Ajax function. Here, Modal title is a class to show data here. Here, this line of code is used to show Modal when click on edit button. Now, copy getEmployeeById method and make an actionResult method. Write a link query to return employee data. Here, I am replacing ID to empID. So, we have to change it from actionResult method as well. Run the project without debugging mode.